Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2017 Ford Taurus Smart Key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in the OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Ford, China. Find Taurus. After 2017, program smart key. Add smart key. Turn on the ignition. Okay. Put the programming new key into the card slot. Press the start button. Click OK. The number of programmed keys in the car 3. Programming complete. Okay, now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? The first key step on the brake. Press the start button. The first key was successfully started into the car. The second key step on the brake. Press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2017 Ford Taurus. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate, multiply ahead.